Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. This is our analysis between the games here, Kaizer Chiefs and Golden Arrows. Kinali Mr. Chico. Mr. Chico, what's your take on the game?
Yes, sir, man. I would like to greet the viewers first. And yes, man. We just watched the Kaizer Chiefs game, and again, it's disappointing, man, to see such a big team struggling to win matches. And I always say Kaizer Chiefs, man. It's a big team, but like a consistency. Are consistent, and you always don't know what to expect from them. With Kaizer Chiefs, so it's just bad, man. I don't know. I don't even know what to say, man. Because look at the goal that they received from Golden Arrows. I didn't expect that, and it was supposed to be 3 goals actually from Golden Arrows.
From Golden Arrows. Yeah, Lena Kiboni the more Kaizer Chiefs, it's not really. I don't know whether they are playing to win or they are just playing, because when you play a home game, Chico, when you play a home game, you are playing for your people. You are playing in your backyard. And I'm expecting more aggressiveness from Team Eternally Chiefs, more going forward, more trying goals. Because Kiboni, some misses, they were very disappointing from the forward tsa Kaizer Chiefs. And le goal e ba ba korileng ka yona, like Arrows showed more hunger into the game for me than Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, and also I still say, I mean, I understand why they're still playing Chivaviro. There is a missed goal in Chivaviro, 1-on-1 with the keeper. You understand that?
It as a striker.
As a striker, that's another thing,
of a team
So,
caliber
and
Chiefs.
also there's another miss from Cross as well. You understand? Like I'm saying, like Rabani negligence are fit 18 areas, and that's where we have to punish the most. You understand? So with Kaizer Chiefs, man, they don't really the what's this? The chances about Tolang, and also Baratodala under pressure. Same as game last week, they won it, but they were under pressure now. You understand? So they even thought even today, or maybe the same thing's gonna happen, and it's not the case, man.
I heard you talking about that, or maybe Chiefs Izala after they have considered the goal.
Because even after they tried picking up the Kausabo, but still it was already too late.
Yes, because how the team that's on the Golden Arrows, they are there to win it. As long as Golden Arrows is a team that has been consistent on the league, we should not undermine that. Or a sensible thing, and the relegations and stuff, they're not playing for that. And at some point, when they meet teams that's on the Kaizer Chiefs, they really want to play above the level of Kaizer Chiefs.
True.
Yes, because Kaizer Chiefs is one team. Most South Africa is very, very big. We expect a team like that to at least give consecutive wins. What's your feeling, Katabauri? This week we are winning, next week we are not winning.
Man, as I'm saying, consistency is your Kaizer Chiefs. You understand? So we don't even know how to feel anymore about Kaizer Chiefs. You understand? Because are we gaming only confidence or you're gonna win? I believe Stellenbosch is a stronger team than Golden Arrows, but we managed to beat Stellenbosch. You understand? We're expecting this match to Kaizer Chiefs to win this match, but still, how about win? So it becomes a bit tricky. We don't even know, because also even the coach, man, because last weekend Tuba ka second half, then Tuba it's sharp, you understand? Even scored 2 goals, right? So I think because of pressure last week, so Kenya Tuba right now, Kafesaf, hoping Horota produce the same result last week, and it's not like that. There was only a Ngar scheme high, you understand? So scheme also so.
I think being a coach here, Kaizer Chiefs at this moment, is the most difficult
thing.
Because honestly, this thing, okay, let's not play Tuba. That is just like last time. And then if we lose a game like that,
they were like, you should have played that guy.
Yes. Because now it seems like a Gariana or try to find what's happening, Kara Chiefs, maybe to find those combos, to find those that tune for Kaizer Chiefs. I'm thinking for him as a coach, it's always that stress. Sorry, who do I match? Who do I bring first? Who do I bring last?
Do you think Nabi is still cooking?
I don't know, man. With Kaizer Chiefs, you'll never know.
And also, do you think Feb it's gonna end Nabantali coach Kaizer Chiefs?
I think if he can be given a chance, because Kaizer Chiefs last year, it really didn't produce.
Okay.
For this year, let's give a guy a chance, and let's give a chance in Nako. Oh, I understand.
Yeah.
Let's give him a full season. Guy. Last week we were happy. Let's not forget that. Last week we were happy, and we might be happy, and the league is still very young.
Yeah, we only played 11 matches, no?
11 matches, yes.
We can only hope, man. But with Kaizer Chiefs now, I think also Coach Nabi still have a lot of work to do. Hopefully, whatever that he's cooking, as Alshokor is cooking, because he's been cooking, you know. And people are tired, man. You know, people are tired. But also, as we should, it's only 11 matches with tournaments that we've played as well. We don't count only the league matches. Also, there are tournaments that we've played. A lot of the tournaments, and we didn't win any. You know, so that's everybody came as a team. You know, so as a league, right now, I don't think people are expecting Kaizer Chiefs to win the league, but at least let's win a few matches.
Consistency.
Yeah, we can lose there and there, but let's keep on winning these matches. Let's go at least to number 2, or let's go to top 5.
Okay.
League high fair, you know, because last season we didn't go to top 8. Remember?
Yeah. You did not qualify to be called a big team last season.
You understand? You understand? But
I think so. I think also now, I think as Kaizer Chiefs, as a brand, it's high time planning Kaizer Chiefs Ishebe to play in more regularly to play more regularly against other teams the Africa and outside. Because I'm thinking Chiefs, it's more relaxed because in South Africa, here at home, we know whether it comes to supporters, whether it comes to anything, Chiefs is big. But now, when it comes to football and ball play, Chiefs is going very low.
Yeah, true. When it comes to the level of football now, it's not really that impressive, you know. But we can only hope for the end of season, we'll be having good results. I know the league, it's gone. There's no hope for Soroka win the league, you know. You know, also if you check the level of football, even if they can win 2-3 games in Latelan, but I wanna hope they can still beat Orlando Pirates. They can still beat
Mamelodi
Sundowns. You understand? That's another thing. And we still have 2 derbies to play.
Yes.
You understand?
And that's a big one.
Exactly, my brother. Since the Shapago Coordinators like this, we're gonna have a serious problem. Look at the guy who scored. I think he's a defender. We understand. So that's on its own. It's just and our defending,
Kaizer Chiefs.
I think when it comes to striking, striker, league defensive, it's a problem there.
Also, I wanna ask this when Mr. Chico before it closes. Do you think Chiefs has Stumosele Sao producer the goalkeeper?
Best
goalkeeper?
No, we don't. The last goalkeeper producer was Itumelong Kune. You know, because from there we used to have Itumelong, Rowan Fernandez, Pan Baloi. We had a lot of. We used to be a team that produces a lot of best goalkeepers in South Africa. You understand? But I think Itumelong Kune was the last one.
So Bavuma is not the.
Vuma is better than the other keepers.
Yeah,
I think
not on that
they have
level
to give
of
him
Kaizer
more gameplay. Then so that he can prove.
And also he has always been there. Like he has been there for the longest time.
Yeah. Also with other keepers, they've considered a lot of goals more than him. So let's just give him a chance. And also he has potential, you know. But he can be regarded as the best goalkeeper right now.
Okay. From us, Timeline Radio Sports, please do like, subscribe, and follow. Subscribe. Thank you.
Yes, man. Thank you so much. Till the next upload.
Thank you.